What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making quite a bit of a different video. I'm going to be trying to make a worm farm today. I'm currently at Walmart right now. I'm going to see if I can get some supplies and some worms to try and make my own worm farm. I've wanted to do this video for quite some time, but I haven't had the money or the extra money to do it. But today I have time to come to Walmart, spend a little bit of money to make this worm farm. I have no idea what I'm doing, so hopefully I can kind of just go along the way and learn, look up some stuff, kind of figure out how to make a worm farm. But I'm gonna head into Walmart, see what I can find, and hopefully by the end of this video we can have our own worm farm. Let's get to it. Alright everyone, I got all the stuff from Walmart that I needed. Not all the stuff, I still need soil. I looked for soil, but there's only like these huge bags. So I'm gonna head over to Home Depot. It's literally right here and see if I can find some soil. And then we'll get to making this worm farm. I'm gonna look up some stuff because I completely don't know what I'm doing, but I feel like it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna head over to Home Depot and then get the soil. Alright everybody, I've made it back to the house. I got the soil at Home Depot and I was talking to the guy there. He said if I wanted to make a worm farm, it would have to be like 50% soil, like this soil, and then the other percent, or the other half, regular soil. The soil we have here in our backyard is pretty crusty. It's like really dry, so I might just fill it up just a little bit. But this soil seems pretty good. It seems just like the soil that comes in these packets. So those worms seem to survive quite a bit in that soil, so I'm thinking this is going to be pretty good. But I also apologize for the late upload. I've been pretty sick these past few days and I thought I had COVID. Tested negative, I'm out of quarantine, and I just figured I'd make a quick little video for y'all. I know y'all are supporting the channel, y'all are just crushing it. We're currently at 118 subs, which is absolutely crazy. Literally the other day we're like at 106 or 107. Insane. Y'all are supporting the channel. So I'm gonna get to making this worm farm. I really don't want to put the soil in our backyard, but I might just have to because this does seem like pretty dense. I'm gonna see what I can do, but I am gonna put the worms in here to see how they react. I know I got to keep this pretty moist. That's one thing I do know about having a worm farm. All right, so another reason that I wanted to do this video is because worms over time can get pretty expensive. It's not really fun buying them over and over again, so I thought this idea would be pretty cool. I have them there at my disposal. I can always just take a cup or two because I always seem to waste them. I always seem to have a lot left and not put them to use, so this is a pretty good solution. I hope this works. I spent like 25 bucks on doing this, so drop a like on the video. Without further ado, I'm gonna put some more soil in here, put the worms, and I think I'm gonna drill some holes into this cap just so we can have some oxygen, but hopefully it turns out good. I really hope so. I did not do my research. If you have a worm farm yourself, drop a comment down below because you're probably cringing right now that I'm doing this, but hey, it's my first time. I think this will do just fine for their home. All right, so I'm just gonna mix it in, kind of like a cake. All right, so I think I'm gonna put a little more because it still seems pretty dark. I think they kind of need a little more density. I have no idea what I'm talking about, but just pretend like I am. All right, that's a big rock. All right, let me go get some more. I feel like these worms are gonna eat up the roots. I also don't know how often worms reproduce, so this might be a terrible investment, and they probably reproduce every 10 years. I think they will eat up these roots, honestly. I'm gonna keep them inside because it gets pretty cold outside at night. Actually, this worm packet says to keep them between 38 degrees and 74 degrees. Keeping them inside wouldn't be a bad idea. I think they're gonna survive. I've had one of these for like a month and a half and it survived. So I have 5 worm packets. I think that'll do just fine. I think it's pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put these worms in here. I honestly think this is going to be really good. If they die in a week, I'll let y'all know in the next video. I'll let y'all know how they're doing. I hope y'all find this interesting. I tried fishing today. I got 1 bite. So I figured why not make this video. I did not want to leave y'all hanging. This video is probably gonna come out tomorrow, so I hope y'all are somewhat enjoying it. But here we go. Soil seems pretty similar, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it's a little darker, but I think they'll do just fine. If y'all don't like worms, skip ahead. First batch of worms right there. Gonna kind of let them go, spread out. This is a big tub. I was thinking of getting a bigger one, but this is plenty big. So I've gone through 2 already, 2 packs of worms. It's looking pretty good. I think they like it. I don't know. Kind of gonna spread this out. I don't want them like bunched up. Kind of want them spread out. I think this is gonna work out. I think. I'm gonna try and keep it moist also. All right, I'm seeing some movement, kind of starting to move around, which is good. Here we go. I bought a bunch. Here's a big chunk right there. I feel like my mom's gonna hate that they're living in my room, but I don't mind. All right, last pack of worms. This is a big chunk. I didn't even check like if they were alive. I should have, but luckily they all are. There we go. That's our worm farm. Let me know down in the comments if y'all have any suggestions. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna do some research tonight. I don't wanna just wing it and have a bunch of worms here. They seem pretty happy. We'll see in a week how they're doing. I'll let y'all know, I'll update y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the side view. It's kind of like mixed. So let me know if that's good or bad. They're all on the surface right now, but I'm sure they'll kind of dig down here in a bit. Oh, I almost forgot. Drill some holes into here. I don't want them crawling out into my room, but I'm gonna drill some small holes. All right, everybody, there we go. I've got all the holes in. I'm pretty sure that's enough. I hope it's enough. It's quite a few. I think worms eat like anything, so it shouldn't be too hard to keep these creatures alive. Let me go ahead and show y'all the final result. Most of them already went down, and they were kind of on the surface and they kind of dug their way down already. So that's a good thing that they like their home and they're not trying to escape. I made these holes just big enough for oxygen and not for them to get out. So I thought that through. Let me go ahead and show y'all the side view. This is how the side of it looks. I don't know if y'all can really see that. The glare is kind of in the way. But as you can tell, it's mixed with regular soil and like the other soils. So you can see one worm right there chilling, making his way down. That's actually pretty cool. He's making his way down. I think we did a pretty good job of making this worm farm. Like I said, let me know down in the comments below if any of y'all have a worm farm. I really want to know what to do with these little guys, how to take care of them, because worms get expensive over time. So drop a comment down below if y'all have any suggestions. I'm gonna do some research and I'll let y'all know in the next video how these little guys are doing. But I think it's a pretty cool little project. If y'all want to try it out, it's like 25 bucks, 30 bucks. I know a lot of y'all can do this and it's a pretty good investment. So if you really want to learn how to do a worm farm, don't take it from me. Do some more research because I have no idea what I'm doing. But I enjoyed making this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it too. Like I said, I'm a little sick right now. These past few days I've been quarantined. I came out negative for COVID. But this next week I should start feeling better and it should start warming up and we should be able to catch some fish. But with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, smash the like button and I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.